pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Riverside local and long-distance movers near me. We have been providing our moving services for Riverside customers for more than 20 years. You can rely on our movers to ensure safety of your belonging until they reach your space. Along with long-distance services, we offer all of the following. We offer everything from supplying packing materials to packing and unpacking services for your move. We are punctual and do not allow any delays or cancellations of your scheduled move. You will find us at your doors at the said time and day. We encourage open communication throughout the completion of your moving process. You can contact us anytime to get a free quote. Our moving company is licensed and insured. We are equipped with required tools and latest technology to carry out any type of move. Instead, hire 3 men and a truck to save your time and efforts and get settled into your new location faster than you've anticipated. Our movers are experts at streamlining your relocating process. We'll get you packed and moved to your new place along with setting up your furniture in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Riverside moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.